Hey there amazing viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into widely discussed topic that holds immense relevance in the job market. So get ready as we unveil the truth and discover how volunteering can truly restructure your professional journey. In a world where career paths are increasingly becoming competitive, job seekers are constantly looking for ways to stand out from the crowd. But here is the burning question for them. Is volunteering equivalent to your work experience? In a moment, we'll debunk myths, reveal valuable insights, and equip you with the knowledge of this very topic in order to make an informed decision about your career. But hold on, before doing all this, I request you to please like and share this video as much as possible so that this informative topic can bring some change for the job seekers. And also, if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe it. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you can receive all the notifications on time. So without wasting much time, let's get started to this informative topic.
Beginning with the first topic, what is the value of volunteering in terms of work experience? So if we summarize the experience of volunteering, it is neither a job nor a work as far as labor laws and regulations in most states and countries are concerned. Volunteers do not have employment contracts and are not considered employees of the organization. They don't have official job descriptions, they are not on payroll, and they don't have employee benefits as well.
Volunteering is a willingly accepted role within an organization without the expectation of any compensation. However, in some states and countries, volunteering is under the radar of local governing bodies, so there are usually some rules attached to it.
Volunteering definitely increases employability no matter where it took place and under what circumstances. It is a valuable experience, especially for someone who has no previous work experience. Volunteering time is something that can be featured in a work resume, and the most important point to note here is that most employers will be happy to see if it is somehow relevant to the job you are applying for. So you can definitely take the time to explain in detail what you did during your volunteering time and how it made you a better professional. Moving on to our second topic, that is how volunteering can enhance your skills.
Volunteering can improve your soft and professional skills in multiple ways depending upon the nature of work that you are doing. So here is the list of few examples of professional skills that you can acquire or improve during the volunteer work for various organizations.
Now the third part of the video, that is it worth to mention volunteering experience in your resume and how you should do that?
So pretty much any type of volunteering that you have done, be it in school or for some other organization, count as a volunteering work on your resume. This can include working with any non-profit organization, any community service related projects or mentoring programs, or even individual initiatives. The purpose of mentioning volunteering work in your resume is to show your potential employers that you are a reliable candidate who can perform with pre-established duties in any work environment. Also, in some cases, it is a good way to show up your employment gaps in the resume. So you can include anything that fits into this category.
Let's understand how to mention it in resume. So there are no special rules or requirements about volunteer experience on a resume. Even though volunteer work is not official work experience, it is still relevant work related experience. So you can list it under your work experience without worries. It all depends on the particular template that you have chosen for your resume. And thanks to the digital advancements these days that can help you to design your resume beautifully. So some templates have designated sections where you can mention volunteer work or any other type of out of work activities. And anyways, no HR professional or a manager will look at your resume and be like, hey, this is not listed under the correct category, so we can't hire this person. The most important two key points that you need to stress on here are: firstly, clearly mention the organization, your role, and the duration of your volunteering. Second, highlight the specific projects, responsibilities, and achievements to demonstrate the impact you made. Now let's see if you can use volunteer work as a reference. Yes, you can definitely mention volunteer work as a reference. If you have a supervisor or coordinator at the volunteering organization who can vouch for your dedication and skills, they can serve as a reference. But you need to ensure that your reference is aware of your intention to use them and provide them with relevant information about the job you are applying for. You can contact the organization that you volunteered for and ask them for a written statement about the work that you did for them and your qualities. So concludingly, volunteering is not just a noble act, it is an opportunity to gain valuable experience and enhance your employability. It is a chance to develop skills, make a positive impact, and stand out in a competitive job market. So don't underestimate the power of volunteering when it comes to building your professional profile. So thank you for joining me on this insightful journey today. If I am able to clear out your confusion about volunteering experience, then please hit the like button and do share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Also, if you are new to the channel, then please click on subscribe button to get connected with HR Administ.